Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a daily habit that's specifically tailored for those of us over 60. We're constantly bombarded with these super complex health routines and confusing advice, right? Well, this is completely different. It's not some complicated protocol or a crazy expensive supplement. It's actually a really simple, highly effective tweak that you can literally make tomorrow morning.
So, what if one simple addition to your morning coffee could change everything? For a lot of us, that first cup of the day is absolutely sacred. It's how we kick off the morning. But there's a common kitchen staple probably sitting in your pantry right this second that research suggests can completely transform that daily routine. And the best part? No special trips to a fancy health food store required. Okay, let's dive into this. The promises of this hidden ingredient are seriously impressive. We're talking about supporting your heart, stabilizing your blood sugar throughout the day, and, maybe the best part, making your coffee taste incredible without adding a single grain of sugar. It's basically one of the easiest health upgrades you could possibly make. But before we reveal the big secret, we really need to understand why our current morning cup might actually be working against us.
Section 1. The Hidden Coffee Problem. Why Aging Changes Our Morning Brew.
You see, as we get older, and especially as we cross that 60 threshold, our internal chemistry really shifts. Blood sugar, for example, gets noticeably harder to control. You might pour yourself a cup of coffee hoping for a nice energy boost, but instead, bam, you hit that mid-morning energy crash and just feel completely wiped out. Suddenly, your old reliable coffee habit leaves you sluggish and craving even more sugar just to get through the day.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what's happening. On one side, you've got the old habit, relying on sugar and flavored creamers. That just leads to a vicious cycle of blood sugar spikes, inflammation, unwanted weight gain, and of course, that fatigue. But look at the new tweak, zero added sugar, which results in stabilized, lasting energy. So how exactly do we bridge this gap and make sure our coffee actually supports our health instead of secretly sabotaging it?
Section 2. The Simple Spice Solution, a centuries-old remedy.
The secret ingredient is plain, simple cinnamon. It's not a trendy new pill. It's been used as an effective remedy for centuries. And fascinating modern research completely validates why it works so beautifully. Adding this to your coffee isn't just a flavor upgrade. It's a profound biochemical tweak that completely changes how your aging body processes that morning beverage.
Section 3. 4 powerful health benefits. Stacking up the wins. Let's break down exactly how this transforms your body, starting with the most important one. Benefit number 1 is blood sugar balance. Cinnamon actually helps your body use insulin more effectively. So, the crucial point is that when your insulin works better, you get significantly fewer of those nasty blood sugar spikes after your meals. That means preventing that dreaded mid-morning fatigue crash. For many of us, getting off that energy roller coaster is literally life-changing.
Now, you might be thinking you need to scoop a ton of this stuff into your mug to get these benefits. But remember the rule of 1, or in this case, a fraction of 1. Notice that 0.5. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon is literally all it takes to make a massive, compounding difference over time. You definitely don't need a heavy hand, you just need consistency.
Moving on to benefit number 2, reducing inflammation. Look, chronic inflammation is a major hidden culprit as we age, heavily linked to joint pain, stiffness, and just feeling chronically tired. Well, cinnamon is packed with powerful natural compounds that help calm that exact inflammation. By just tossing some in your mug, your basic morning pick-me-up suddenly doubles as a daily recovery tool for your aging joints and tissues.
Benefit number 3, supporting heart health. Our hearts work incredibly hard for us every single day, and giving them some extra protection is absolutely critical after 60. Cinnamon steps up to the plate here by supporting healthy cholesterol levels and actually improving your circulation. It's just a really gentle, natural way to give your cardiovascular system a helping hand right at the start of your day. And finally, benefit number 4, natural sweetness. Because cinnamon adds its own rich, warm flavor, it practically eliminates the need for any added sugars or artificial sweeteners, all while making your coffee taste absolutely delicious. Honestly, just cutting out that daily scoop of sugar creates a huge, positive ripple effect on your long-term health.
Section 4. The crucial cinnamon catch. Not all spices are created equal. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that doing this the wrong way can actually cancel out your benefits or even cause harm. Let's walk through the difference between these two types. On the left, we've got Cassia cinnamon. That's your standard, cheap, store-bought kind. The catch? It contains high levels of something called coumarin, which can pose a risk to your liver over time. So for a safe daily health habit, you really need to look at the right side. Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon. It has very low coumarin levels, making it totally safe and mild enough for everyday use.
Section 5. Your new morning routine. Low effort, high reward. Okay, it's time to actually put this into practice. Here is the exact routine you can start tomorrow. Step 1. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your coffee. Step 2. Give it a good stir or even blend it if you want a nice frothy texture. Step 3. Drink it once daily. That is literally it. No complex routine, no expensive shopping trips. Just 3 totally simple steps for a significantly smarter cup of coffee.
As we wrap up this explainer today, I want you to imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee that's actually working for your overall health. So tomorrow morning, before you take that very first sip, ask yourself, what if this one simple habit could help you feel better every single day? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, here's to your health.